Hi, this is Dipankar. Welcome back to the channel. Exciting news, I have decided to space a fresh identity. We are now officially Allied Skill Computing. Don't worry, the awesome content you love isn't going anywhere. In fact, it is only getting better. So join me on this new chapter and let's dive into the topic on text effect and typography together. Alright, welcome back. So, first of all, we will know what is the text effect. In short, this is a further customization besides text color. I have typed this text here in the document. Let's customize and apply effect on this text. To do so, first highlight the text. Then navigate to Home tab. Under Home tab, you will see this option, Text Effects and Typography. Here you can see some sample text effect. You can choose from here the text effect, or you can customize according to your choice. For this, you have to use these four options: outline, shadow, reflection and glow mainly. To do this, first go to outline options, then choose the outline color and have a look into the document that the text color has been changed. For further customizations, again highlight the text, repeat the process. Under Home tab, go to these options, select shadow and choose here the shadow effect. You have to do a repetitive process for these customizations, but I will guide you a straightforward way where you don't have to go again and again after every time you highlighted the text. This is how. Under Home tab, go to Text Effect and Typography, go to Shadow and click on here Shadow options. You can find here all the options in one place to customize text, like text outline color. In this tab you can find shadow, reflection, glow, all these. So let's apply all these effects one by one and see how our texts are going to be transformed. So first we apply text outline color. To do this, click on this tab. Then you can choose solid line or gradient line. For gradient line, I have already discussed how this gradient stop works in my previous videos. Here, for example, I choose a solid line, then choose the color of the text, then go to Text Effect tabs, then apply shadow, choose the preset here. There are some presets you can select from here. Then you can change the color of the shadow. Then you can adjust the size of the shadow. You can see the effect on the screen here. You can adjust the blur effect on shadow, the angle of shadow and distance from the text. You can see here the effect. Then go to reflections. There are also some presets. You can select from this. See, there are reflection like mirror. You can adjust also the transparency, the size. Have a look. The blur, the distance. Then you can apply glow. There are also some presets. You can choose here the glow effect and increase the size and decrease the size of glow. You can see here and the transparency of the glow. So you can do a lot more effects on this text using these options. So let me know how much you understand in comment. Hope you all have enjoyed this topic. If you find today's class really helpful, don't forget to like, comment and share with others who might benefit from this class. Thank you and see you in the next class.